Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Depop user, you know how exciting it is to score that perfect vintage find, but waiting for it to arrive can be a bit nerve-wracking. Today, we're diving into how to track your Depop order in 2025 feet because let's face it, with all the tech updates, tracking should be a breeze. Whether you're a newbie seller or a savvy buyer, this guide will have you covered in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have the latest Depop app installed on your phone or access it via your web browser. Depop has rolled out some cool AI-powered updates for 2025, so updates are key. Once you're in, log into your account using your email or social media. If you haven't already, double-check that your profile is up to date. It helps with order notifications. Now, head over to the My Orders section, usually found in your Profile tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases and sales. Scroll through until you find the specific order you want to track. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the Order Details page. Look for the Track Shipment button. It's prominently displayed and might even show real-time estimated delivery times thanks to Depop's new integration with global carriers. Clicking that button will either redirect you to the shipping provider's website, like USPS or DHL, or open an in-app tracker. Enter any required details if prompted, and voila! You can now see your package's location, expected arrival, and even carbon footprint estimates, which is a neat eco-friendly addition for 2025. If your order hasn't shipped yet, don't worry, just keep an eye on the status updates. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like a missing tracking number, reach out to Depop's support chat. It's super responsive now with AI assistance. And remember, always track from a secure network to protect your info. There you have it, folks. Tracking your Depop order in 2025 is easier than ever. Give this video a like if it helped, drop a comment with your tracking horror stories, and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.